The word legacy for me has grown to mean to pass the torch. By that, I mean inspiring the next generation to pursue a passion or a creative endeavor that provides joy and contentment. I got into leather crafting because I saw beauty in the medium and the joy I brought others from something I made with my hands. My hope for you is that yes, you might learn some new technique or skill from one of my crafting videos, but more importantly that you are motivated and inspired to try something beyond your comfort zone, and that in turn you share that with someone else and pass the torch. This is my legacy. What's yours?